Hello everyone. I'd like to share my thoughts on the month-long personalized training program we just completed. So looking back, it was a meaningful experience that really helped me grow both academically and personally. So there are a few questions in this reflection. So first is, what are the highlights? Of course, the experience, the people, the fun, and also my progress. So at the start, I wasn't sure how I'd keep up, but the routines were tailored to our individual fitness levels. But they still pushed me beyond what I thought I could handle. From cardio drills to strength training and flexibility exercises, each session helped me understand my body better, what it could do, and where it needed to improve. So next question is, what are the challenges and improvements? So my two challenges were the early mornings and muscle pain. One thing I really appreciated was the program was structured. It wasn't just about the sets, the routines, it was about learning the proper form, setting realistic goals, and tracking progress. That's why the early mornings and muscle pain were kind of easy to be handled because I was already tracking my days, and also I have goals already because of the month long routines. And it really started noticing changes, not just physically, but also mentally. I felt more focused, more energized, and more active. So my improvement is being active again. So next is the impact of the exercise. For me, there were really a tough days such as the early mornings and the muscle pains, and I really wanted to give up because it wasn't really I wasn't really that dedicated to this. However, the encouragement from my classmates, my friends, made a huge difference. It reminded me that consistency matters more than perfection. So because of them, I helped myself push through this program. And by the end of the program, I realized that fitness isn't just about looking strong, it's about feeling strong inside and out. And I'm proud of my progress I've made, and I'm motivated to keep on going even after the program ends. So that's all. Thank you.